What's up, YouTube? Micah the Player here. And I see something all the way over there in that chair. Come on. Focus, focus, focus. Right there. You know y'all see me. Focus, please focus. Thank you. Right there. It's a little kitty cat! Oh, I want the kitty cat. I want to pet it. Hi, cat. That was the kitty cat. YouTube. And, yeah. That's all I had to show y'all. But, I guess I can do a little bit more. I guess if I get the chance, clean up my room, which it is clean. But I guess YouTube, Micah the Player here, and signing out, I guess. Sorry about the video. I was about to show you more, but it's not a show. So, signing out, and peace.